Hi, John, and everyone over at Affordable Fencing. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Okay, so three things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. This video is going to be a little bit different because you don't have a website, but obviously based on the fact that you have a Facebook page, goes to show you, even though it may not have been updated since 2018, that you understand the value of being online. But to what extent, I'm not sure. So when you get a website, contrary to popular belief, websites can bring you leads. So I'm not sure how you're getting your leads now, if you're getting them from Home Advisor, if you're getting it from Angie's List, if it's all referral. I'm not sure how you're getting your leads. But the bottom line is this, is that how you're getting your leads can be done through your website. So, like I said, contrary to popular belief, website can bring you leads that you're not paying somebody else to get. So, when you do decide to get a website built, which I highly recommend, you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words on every page you're trying to rank. And then also, content isn't just the words, it's also the pictures and a lot of other things. But one of the most important things I want to get across to you is that when you save your pictures to your website, you're going to want to make sure to save them properly. Don't save them as whatever the computer came up with. Save them as the correct content. Do some research on buyer intent keywords. Okay, next is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories, such as Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few. So I typed in fencing contractor Jackson, Michigan. We got Dave Powers, we got Allen Fencing, we got Kaiser. I'm sure we've all seen Allen Fencing. I have, and myself. I'm not sure Dave Powers, but I know Allen Fencing I've seen. The reason that these guys are pulling up here is because A, they have a website, and B, they have citations. And this is where you want to be. Someone types in fencing company, you want to pop up right here and you're going to get that volume. You're going to get it. You're going to get that phone number, easy and simple, you know. And then if you're not here, you're going to want to be in the organic search, and that's where, like, you got Dave Powers right here, Alan Bros right here. So these are your top competitors in Jackson, and they're actually not going to be too hard to beat. So once you have your website and you start getting your citations, you're going to get what is called a Google My Business profile. And so I know a lot of guys are actually hesitant to have one of these because they don't want their address on Google because of whatever reason. But bottom line is this: you don't have to have your address posted on Google. You can get the Google My Business and you can hide your address if you happen to be working out of your home at this point. So you don't have to worry about having your address on here. And then next, reviews. So once you get a Google My Business, you're going to want to have 25 reviews. And as you can see, Dave Powers has 13 and Allen Fencing has 55. So the reason Allen Fencing is below has to do with citations and also content like we talked about. But you're going to want 13 reviews, or 25, I'm sorry, not 13. He's got 13. You want at least 14, but 25 minimum. And then also you're going to want to add some photos. 10 photos is the number we recommend to have in your Google My Business. And then you're going to want to make sure to save those properly as well. So once you get your website, once you get your Google My Business, you're going to have, going to be your profile. You're going to want to shoot for 25 reviews, 10 photos, saved properly. And if you don't want your address, you don't have to have it. I know that was a big deal for me at one time, but now that I know you don't have to have your address shown, that changes things. So another thing I wanted to show you too, just a quick tidbit of information. So we got Dave Powers and Allen Fencing. Those are your two biggest competitors in Jackson, okay? This is Allen Bros Fencing. If you take a look, they got a super basic website. This actually probably isn't bringing them in any money. I know they've been around a long time. They're on a main road and all that. So they're probably getting a lot of referral business or whatever. But this is an example of like a very, very cheaply built, inexpensive website. So just that's that. So that's who you're competing with. And then Dave Powers, he's actually got a nicer website that's probably bringing him in some money. You got the phone button right there. Click the call. That'll be on people's phone when they type in fencing company. He's the first one to pop up, and there's a phone button. So they're going to be calling him, and believe me, he's getting business. And then this one's a little bit more money, but believe it or not, you can get a website built for not that much, comparative to the amount of jobs that you can get from the website. And then with the website, you're going to have backlinks. So I used Allen Bros Fencing because that's who I just decided to use. And what a backlink is once you get a URL, once you have a website, whether it's affordablefencing.com, whatever it happens to be, once you get one, you're going to want to blast it out on the internet. And you're going to want to put it to different places, and that's going to give you backlinks. Well, not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from good places that aren't spammy and that are relevant to fencing. Now, if you look here, so Allen Bros has 27 backlinks from 17 referring domains, but his domain rating is a 0.2 only. So he's actually has a lot of work to do, and as you can see, his website was kind of old and outdated. So he's got a lot of room for improvement too. But I just wanted to show you that this is what backlinks are, and this is the tool we use, Ahrefs. So once you do decide to get a website, you can use this tool to find out where to get backlinks and where your backlinks are coming from, etc., etc. So, John, I hope this finds you well. I hope that your business is good. I hope that you are thriving, and I hope that that you use these tools to make yourself some more money. So, thanks for watching, and have a good day.